Hello everyone. Today I am going to read a wonderful book with you all, and the name of the book is Tiki Tiki Tembo. Isn't it amazing? Now let's explore the book. Tiki Tiki Tembo, retold by Arlene Moselle, illustrated by Blair Lent. Now let's get started with this wonderful story, Tiki Tiki Tembo. Are you ready, children? So let's start with the story. Once upon a time, a long time ago, it was the custom of all the fathers and mothers in China to give their first and honored son great long names. But second sons were given hardly any name at all. In a small mountain village, there lived a mother who had two little sons. Her second son she called Chang, which meant little or nothing. But her first and honored son she called Tiki Tiki Tembo Nusa Rembo Charibari Ruchi Pipperi Pembo, which means the most wonderful thing in the whole wide world. Isn't the name amazing, children? Can you try out this name? Tiki Tiki Tembo Nusa Rembo Charibari Ruchi Pipperi Pembo. Wow, that sounds great. Every morning, the mother went to wash in a little stream near her home. The two boys always went chattering along with her. On the bank was an old well. "Don't go near the well," warned the mother, "or you will surely fall in." The boys did not always mind their mother, and one day they were playing beside the well, and on the well when Chang fell in. Look at the picture. Chang has fallen in the well. Now, what is the elder brother going to do? Let's explore. Then Tiki Tiki Tembo Nusa Rembo Charibari Ruchi Pipperi Pembo ran as fast as his little legs could carry him to the old man with the ladder and said, "Old man with the ladder, Chang has fallen into the well. Will you come and fish him out?" "So," said the old man with the old ladder, "Chang has fallen into the well?" And he ran as fast as his old legs could carry him. Step over step over step, he went into the well, picked up the little Chang, and step over step over step, brought him out of the well. So he went into the well holding his ladder, and step over step, he got Chang back. He pumped the water out of him and pushed the air into him, and pumped the water out of him and pushed the air into him, and soon Chang was just as good as ever, and he was fine now. As all the water was pumped out of Chang, Chang was fine. Since this is a Chinese tale, you can look at the Chinese dragon now. Now for several months the boys did not go near the well, but after the festival of the 8th moon, they ran to the well to eat their rice cakes. They are near the well. They played around the well. They walked on the well, and Tiki Tiki Tembo Nusa Rembo Charibari Ruchi Pipperi Pembo fell into the well. Chang ran as fast as his little legs could carry him to his mother and said, Oh, most honorable mother, Tiki Tiki Tembo Nusa Rembo Charibari Ruchi Pipperi Pembo has fallen into the well. The water roars. Little one, I cannot hear you. So little Chang took a deep breath. Oh, mother, most honorable, he panted. Tiki tiki tembo, nosa rambo, chaibari, ruchi, pepperipembo has fallen into the well. Tiresome child, what are you trying to say? Said his mother. Honorable mother, chaibari, rambo, tiki tiki. He gasped. Pip Pip has fallen into the well. Unfortunate son, surely the evil spirits have bewitched your tongue. Speak your brother's name with reverence. Poor little Chang was all out of breath from saying that great long name, and he didn't think he could say it one more time. But then he thought of his brother in the old well. Chang bowed his little head clear to the sand, took a deep breath and slowly, very slowly said, Most honorable mother, Tiki Tiki Tembo, Nosa Rambo, Charibari Ruchi, Pipperipembo is at the bottom of the well. Oh, not my first and honored son, here of all I possess. Run quickly and tell the old man with the ladder that your brother has fallen into the well. So Chang ran as fast as his little legs would carry him to the old man with the ladder. Under a tree, the old man with the ladder sat bowed and silent. Old man, shouted Chang. Come right away. Tiki Tiki Tembo, Nosa Rambo, Charibari Ruchi, Pipperipembo has fallen into the stone well. Shouted Chang. But there was no answer. Puzzled, he waited. Then, with his very last bit of breath, he shouted, Old man with the ladder, Tiki Tiki Tembo, Nosa Rambo, Charibari Ruchi, Pipperipembo is at the bottom of the well. Miserable child, you disturbed my dream. I had floated into a purple mist and found my youth again. There were glittering gateways and jeweled blossoms. If I close my eyes, perhaps I will again return. Poor little Chang was frightened. How could he say that? Great long name again. Please, old man with the ladder, please help my brother out of the cold well. So, said the old man with the ladder, your mother's precious pearl has fallen into the well, said the old man with the ladder. And they both move on with the ladder to save Tiki Tiki Tembo, Nosa Rambo, Charibari Ruchi, Pipperipembo from the well and rescue him. The old man with the ladder hurried as fast as his old legs could carry him. Step over step, he went into the well and step over step, out of the well with the little boy in his arms. Then he pumped the water out of him and pushed the air into him, and pumped the water out of him and pushed the air into him. But little Tiki Tiki Tembo, Nosa Rambo, Charibari Ruchi, Pipperipembo had been in the water so long, all because of his great long name, that the moon rose many times before he was quite the same again. And from that day to this, the Chinese have always thought it wise to give all their children little short names instead of great long names. It's just because of Tiki Tiki Tembo, Nosa Rambo, Charibari Ruchi, Pipperipembo. And with this, the Chinese tale ends. Thank you so much, children. I hope you liked the story.